Okay guys, if you're new here and you're visiting, welcome, welcome. And if you are a returning subscriber of mine, already a part of the Diva family, welcome back, loves. Guys, I would like to thank you for your continued support and your love of the channel. So, guys, today I am extending an open invitation collaboration for our Tablescape Sunday. And I know, as you can see, you can already probably guess what it's going to be. Okay? But first, I want to extend this open invitation. And if you would like to know the rules and today's Tablescape scheme is the Pucker Up Tablescape lemon theme. And it is being put on by Diva's Dynasty. And Diva's Dynasty consists of Lynn from Lynn's Lifestyle Living, which will be our host, Miss Alberta from Mysterious Alberta, Cynthia from Cynthia She's So Blessed, Tammy from Me, Myself, and DIYing It, and myself, Geraldine of Diva Decorating. And we are Diva's Dynasty. And guys, what we do is we come together bi-weekly of every month to put on a themed tablescape so you can join in and you can show your tablescapes to help you get more support and to help support our channels as well. And we have fun doing it for you guys, okay? So, let's get into the details and the rules because this is going to be fun, y'all. It's going to be fun. Okay, guys, so I hope y'all don't mind, but I love lemons. I have loved lemons from the time when I was a teenager. And I hope you don't mind if I eat me a lemon while I tell you guys the rules, okay? Lemons are my favorite fruit to eat. Okay, so let's see. The rules are you must be subscribed to all the host channel. She wants you to please mention all the hosts in your video and give them some love by subscribing and liking their videos. To decorate your table by using lemon themed items, for example, plates, cups, glasses. You can use artificial or real lemons, which I will be using real lemons. Okay, I might use artificial too. I don't know. You can use them in your napkins. Whatever you choose to decorate your table using these items. Okay. You are to title your video Pucker Up Tablescape. Let me get this over here. Okay. She wants us to use the hashtag Pucker Up Tablescape Lemons 2020. Add your video to the playlist at the given date and time, and the playlist will be here in this invite video. So you can come back here and you can grab the playlist. Okay. Let's see. Update is June 28th, anytime after midnight Eastern Standard Time, which is our standard upload time. And she just wants us to have some lemon fun. Now guys, a lot of people say lemons are sour. Move that out the way. They're not to me. I love them. It's just a little quirk I have. I love them. And I can eat them all day long. Just to tell you a little story. When I was in my teens, about maybe 17 or 18, I had a neighbor who used to eat lemons all the time. We had a corner store and she used to go to the corner store all the time getting lemons. And I was like, ooh, the first time I tasted one, she told me to taste it, and I was like, ooh, this is, how can you eat these? These are so sour. But guys, I started hanging out with her, and I found myself becoming a lemon lover too. She turned me into a lemon lover, okay? And I am still eating them to this day. Now, what I like to do sometimes, just to show you I can eat it like it is, But sometimes I like to add a little, just a little bit of salt. Okay. If I can get it open without shooting the juice in my eye, which I have done many times before. Okay. So we're going to get this one open. I love lemons. Juice is squirting out. See? Delicious. Who else can eat lemons just like they are? I like to know. That's a fun fact to know. Am I the only ones who eat lemons like this? Because a lot of people tell me, no, I can't eat lemons like that. I used to eat them so much, my mother had to stop me from eating them. She thought something was wrong with eating them many lemons. Okay. I'm going to get me just a little tiny bit of salt here. Not too much, because I'm not even really supposed to have salt. But I just want a little bit. They are delicious. So don't forget, guys, come join us for Tablescape Sunday. We can't wait to see what all you guys come up with, because we know we have some very creative creators out there, and y'all give it y'all all. Y'all really do. And we love seeing y'all tablescapes. You're so creative. Delicious, guys. Delicious. I don't know how anybody can't like this. Okay, guys, that's all I got for you today. Don't forget, if you're not a part already of the Diva family, why don't you come and join us? Until next time, guys. Bye-bye, my loves.